All right, Georgia Sports Cards here. Up doing the random number draw for Futera. This is going to be random serial number break number 1 for Futera, guys. Display box number 1. Good luck. We are going to go 9 times. 9 times on names and numbers. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Lucky Luke on top, OMG at the bottom. And let me make this a little bit bigger here so you guys can see. There you go. And on the numbers, good luck. Again, 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 on top, 10 at the bottom. Everything else in between. And let me... All right, Lucky Luke with 1. OMG, 2, 3, 4, 5. No sauce at 6. OMG at 7 and 8. Lucky Luke at 9. OMG at 10. Those will be your guys' numbers. Good luck, good luck.